Hello everyone, we're back again with another video on what the OffshoreCorpTalk forum has been through lately. It's been quite a rollercoaster ride, with the forum experiencing a whirlwind of events, some of them positive, others not so much. Today, we'll talk about the issue with Hamilton Reserve Bank. Whether you've heard about it in our previous video, or you've checked the reviews and complaints on the forum, you're probably aware of the situation with the Hamilton Reserve Bank. Established in St. Kitts and Nevis, it describes itself to be the largest bank in the entire region. Unfortunately for some of its clients, its services leave a lot to be desired. Based on a bunch of reviews from the current clients struggling with withdrawals or issues with correspondence, the bank has failed to meet its users' expectations and needs. Now, as you may already know, like any other platform in the industry, the OffshoreCorpTalk forum isn't biased and won't remove negative reviews for an institution or service. After all, we're all free to express our opinions and leave authentic reviews based on our experience. Bank representatives thought differently and asked us to remove the negative reviews from our website, which we didn't. After a series of threatening emails giving us different timeframes, they've decided to file a lawsuit against us, as well as one of our main sponsors, Blackwater International Limited. With serious claims of defamation, we have living proof on our forum that no one's ever tried something like this on the Hamilton Reserve Bank. It's a common right in the civilized world to allow people to express their opinions without trying to shut their mouths by force. Hiding these totalitarian threats under a claim of defamation, losing clients and millions of dollars, we've been notified that about 5 kilograms worth of documents have been sent to Europe as part of this lawsuit. Let us tell you what this really means from our point of view. To send 5 kilograms of A4 pages from the USA to the UK results in an emission of about 9 kilograms of CO2. To produce all these, the Hamilton Reserve Bank basically wasted nearly 10% of a tree. This is a rough estimate, but all these for what? All these while receiving another threat, giving us 48 hours to remove the negative reviews and discussion posts about the bank, which is freedom of speech. And, as most of our users already know, this is a freemium forum based on user-generated content. What was written in the respective discussion thread was supported by evidence to our moderators, as well as to the actual forum audience by showing some of the messages sent by the bank. The bank has already tried to prove itself in the past, releasing press releases about potential websites impersonating it. Its problems are well known, and like some of the reviews claim, bank representatives often blame technical problems for their poor service. Nothing wrong with mentioning these in a review. Now, let's imagine a scenario where reviews would have to be removed under defamation claims. Imagine all businesses in Google or Facebook featuring 5 stars. Imagine every review on Trustpilot or Yelp removed if it included something negative about a business. The internet has opened the borders for freedom of speech, allowing people to make others aware of problematic businesses and institutions. At the end of the day, it's a review, a testimonial. It's up to those who read it to make decisions based on it. Some people can ignore a negative review and sign up. Some others may choose something safer. After all, there's no smoke without fire. These being said, we're trying our best to ensure freedom of speech is maintained at the highest standards on the OffshoreCorpTalk forum. And if things go even further, we're happy to provide evidence regarding the bank's emails to its customers and our users claiming delays on technical issues. In the end, we're not telling anyone to avoid an institution or go to another one. It's up to you to make a decision based on your research. But when you score 2.9 on Trustpilot, 3.9 in Google, you disable reviews on Facebook, you try to force websites to delete negative reviews, and BrokerChooser claims you're not regulated by a top-tier regulator, something's definitely wrong. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.